This is the virtual showing for 529 Prosperous Valley Road, Middletown, New York, 10940. This house features 5 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms on just under 1 acre. The house is vinyl sided with an architectural shingle roof. The main living area features an open concept with exposed beams, wall-to-wall carpeting, pellet stove for an auxiliary heat source, as well as baseboard hot water heat. A breakfast bar for easy seating for meals, as well as a place for a more formal dining room setup. Coat closet adjacent to the entrance door. Conveniently located on the first floor are 2 bedrooms. And located between the 2 first floor bedrooms is a full bath, with a walk-in shower. Returning to the main living area, we'll now go into the kitchen. Again, the open floor plan allows for great space for entertaining. Off of the kitchen is an enclosed porch with a washer connection. As well as a doorway that leads to the outside side of the property. This home also features an enclosed 3-season porch with a hot tub that has been winterized and is fully functional. There are 2 doors that lead to the property. There is a small shed and a small outbuilding for additional storage. Upstairs are the 3 additional bedrooms. At the top of the stairs is a linen closet. Between the 2 additional bedrooms to the right of the stairwell is another full bath with a combination shower tub. This is the 4th bedroom, and as you can see, all the windows have been upgraded as well. And then continuing down the hall, which would be to the left of the stairwell, is the master bedroom. The master bedroom features dual closets, as well as your access for your attic storage. As we head back down to the main living area to conclude the virtual showing, in addition to all the features that were discussed, the fuel oil tank, 275 gallons, was recently replaced and is brand new. The furnace has been fully serviced and is fully functional. A brand new hot water heater was installed, as well as other necessary repairs that have been made to the property. This concludes the virtual showing of 529 Prosperous Valley Road, Middletown, New York, 10940.